name is Clatu Bell, and I'm a graduate of the Software Engineering QuickStart program. Before enrolling in the program, I was a pharmacy technician. I was a pharmacy technician for about a decade. I was a senior in my field, and the reason I chose to pivot from a pharmacy technician to software engineering is really I had no more room to grow as a pharmacy technician. Really enjoyed my job, but there was nothing else for me to achieve in that role. However, in software engineering, there was a whole new world, and there's so much to learn. Technology is always changing, and that's something that excites me to my core. So I ended up choosing QuickStart after doing some research online. I called the school and I talked with one of the agents, the recruiters, and they were able to give me a lot of helpful information. And what really sold it is that I will have a job coach and assistants after graduating. So I will not be on my own after graduating. So that really sold it for me. So after enrolling into the program, I did my own self-paced study before the bootcamp just to prepare myself. I didn't want brand new information in the bootcamp. But once I got there, a lot of that self-study did help, but I was able to enhance my skills through my teacher. My teacher was very hands-on, and although the bootcamp is very fast-paced, you're taking on a lot of information and knowledge, the class also offers recordings. So a lot of the recordings from my class where I sat through, I was able to look back at them and learn more information. So sometimes I will forget, how did I get from point A to point B? And I can just look at those recordings and look at the code. So a lot of studying outside of class took place, which again can be hard with still working a full-time job. But my experience in the bootcamp was very pleasurable, and my classmates, likewise, we are all in the same boat. We are hungry for knowledge, so it was also nice to work with like-minded individuals who were ready to code and to work as well. Now, the support from the career coach was very helpful, and it was very encouraging, because looking for a job can be very discouraging. There are many times in the interview where I felt like I may have said something wrong, or maybe I just wasn't good enough, or maybe my resume just didn't catch their attention. It did feel personal from time to time. But also talking to my job coach, she was able to help me to not internalize those rejections, and also refine my resume through the different tools that they offered, and also just preparing myself for interviews a little bit better, as well as broaden my horizon to other fields within software engineering. So you don't have to just be a front-end engineer or a back-end or a full stack. There are other parallels like software quality analyst. And that's actually the role that I ended up landing. And I was so excited to do this.